Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Prices overnight a little bit unchanged for the most part. Nearby beans is around $13.14. We're near some key support that we've seen over the last month to maybe 45 days. We'll see if we have enough information to continue to liquidate longs out of the market as we go in to harvest. There's a lot of debate going right now as to what Midwest soybean yields are going to be in the dry areas and how that will impact the market. We also had some private estimates of old crop U.S. soybean carryout extremely low, and that puts a very big importance on the yield this year for the crop. After Friday, we had our first guesses for 2014-15 U.S. supply and demand. It shows very adequate supply if we have bigger acres next year. We're also looking at the start of Brazil crops, and they're starting to get some rains down there, which should help their planting conditions, and everyone expects higher acres and a record crop down there. Over in the corn, we're near contract lows for the year. I think the harvest pressure continues to weigh on the marketplace. Not a lot of export demand, and so we're going to continue to see maybe some more selling in the market. The key will be whether or not we make contract lows before the September 30 stocks report. If we don't, we could see a little bit of a short covering rally into that report. We're not expecting until after harvest the market to do anything dramatic on the upside. From a weather standpoint here in the United States, we don't see a lot of rain that's going to slow harvest down. We don't see a lot of cold temperatures that's going to cause any impact on the late soybean crops. Everything there is pretty favorable. Wheat market's about unchanged. We're also close to contract lows there. The big world wheat supply is negative, but we think that the tight situation, especially in Kansas City wheat, may offer some support. And seasonally, if corn makes a bottom, wheat will probably also maybe see a little bit of a bounce too. Outside market's pretty quiet. We're just kind of waiting to see what happens here in the United States with the potential shutdown of the budget and what happens as far as economic conditions in the world. We did see some positive data out of China. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. So have a safe and profitable trading day.